Everyone solve here. Now here interest is for 3 years. What to do? So in this situation, something percentage, let's take A, B, C. So first merge A and B by the same formula. Then whatever you will be getting, you will be merging this with the next. If it is for 4 years, so you will be merging whatever finally you will get that with the D, and you will get the finally interest percentage. That much percentage you will calculate for the amount principal you have invested. That much percent you will calculate. Now everyone try this question. 1,000 rupees we are investing for 3 years. Interest is 10%, 20%, 10%. So let's merge. You can merge these two also. Then whatever you will be getting, you can merge with 20%. No effect will be on the answer. So you can go by that also, or you can go by 10 and 20% is merging also. So how we merge? 10A plus B plus A into B upon 100. This is the way for merging the percentage in the compound interest. In simple interest, it is directly A plus B, as we have seen, we were directly adding, but in the compound interest, this extra term comes. Okay, so how much it is actually? 10 plus 20 plus 10 into 20 upon 100. So it became 10 plus 20, 30 plus 22 upon 100, 200 upon 100 means 32%. Now, what is our task next? To merge this 32% which we got from here, 32, with this 10. So let's merge this with 10. Okay, so we will be merging this with 10. So we will get here 32 plus 10 plus 32 into 10 upon 100. Okay, so here we will be getting 32 plus 10, 42 plus 32, 323.2. Can you all hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 3.2. So it became 42 plus 3.2. It became 45.2%. Now, what is our task? Our task is simple. Calculate the 45.2% of the 1,000. So just 45.2% of 1,000. So how much we are getting here? 452 rupees is the interest. So we will not use the formula, we avoid formula, but question can't avoid. Let's do one more question. 1,000 rupees invested for 1 year at the rate of 20% compound interest per annum. Here PA means per annum on compound interest, but interest to be calculated half yearly. Now this is a clever person, chatur aadmi. Okay. He kya kar raha? You are taking the money for 1 year, but he wants calculate the interest after 6 months. Means actually you can understand the question like this. You invested 1,000 rupees, then one time gap, one time period you can take 6 months as a one time period, 6 months. So he will be taking the 20% for 1 year per annum, 20% for per annum. So what will be the 6 month interest? Half yearly interest. How much will be half yearly interest? 10%. Simple. Just half of the amount, because you have done the half of the time period. So for 6 months you will be taking, means 1,000 rupees, 10% interest. Then whatever money you will be getting on that, you will be again taking the 10% for the next one time period or next 6 months. So actually we will be having a 2 time period. So our aim is to merge 10% together. This will be giving us the same answer, because 2 time periods are there, because we are calculating half yearly. This interest has been given per annum. We will be converting our percentage as per the requirement of the question. Question is calculating half yearly, then we will be taking that, doing that on that only. So if you will merge, you will get 21%. As previously we have done 10 into 10, 10% is 10% merging, we got 21%. Now 21% of 1,000, this is our amount money to be calculated. We have to calculate the amount. So interest will be what? Interest will be 21% of 1,000, that is 210 rupees. But they are not asking interest, they are asking the amount, what money you will return. You will return the 1,000 rupees which you have taken plus 210 rupees which you have you will be paying as the interest. Means total money you will be paying 1,210 rupees. This is the money you will be paying after 1 year. The class. 2,000 rupees invested for 2 years and 6 months at rate of 5% quarterly. Rate has been given 5% quarterly. Okay. Interest to be calculated annually means we will be converting our whole rate of interest as annually. For 2 years and 6 months means 1 year plus 1 year plus 6 months. Actually, this is our time. So 1 year, how much will be interest rate? Can you all tell me for 1 year only, how much will be interest rate? If 5% for 1 quarter, for 1 year, how much it will be? 20%. This also 20. For 6 months, 10%. Now just merge these two, then merge this with this. You will get the finally for this, and that much percentage of 2,000 you can calculate. In this question, here comes our level of the question which we can expect. So I was just thinking to make you 1 or 2 questions which can be expected in the CDS. So you can start processing the question, you can start thinking the questions. That's why I was in the last 3-4 questions with fast speed. Okay. Everyone read the question. 2,000 rupees separately invested on CI and SI. Means you are investing 2,000 on CI. You are investing 2,000 on SI. Now, when you are investing, interest rate is 20% per annum. So here interest rate is 20% per annum. Here the interest rate is also 20% per annum. If you will observe one thing, the interest rate is same, correct? 20%, 20%. Now, if you will calculate the compound interest, what will happen? The percentage will be merged by A plus B plus A into B percent. Correct? This much percent will be in the compound interest. In case of simple interest, interest will be simply A plus B. Correct? A plus B percent. Now you observe why the difference will come in the both interest. The difference is being calculated or being coming by this A into B percent. Correct? So you can simply say A into B percent of the money you have invested of the principal will be the difference. A plus B into in percent will be there. A into B percent. So A is here 20. For second year also the money is 20. So 20 into 20 upon 100. Here this is 100. Sorry. Into 100% of the money, that is the 2,000. This will be the giving the difference. So 20 into 20, 400 upon 100 means 4% of 2,000. So this money we are getting here, 400% of 2,000 means 80 rupees is the difference. Now if you will see, this actually is what? A into B upon 100%. This will be giving us the interest. So this 100 will be separate and percent is 100 will come new. That also, don't be confused in that. Okay. Now you will say, sir, this okay, you told directly by this it is coming difference, so we calculated. Let's try to calculate actually 20%. If we will merge, it will be 44%. So here interest is 44%. 20% plus 20% actually here is 40%. Sometimes if you are having confusion, just calculate the percentage. Now you can observe the difference is here 44%, here is 40%, means difference is what? 4%. And same thing is written here. Okay, so you can go by any way. So this type of questions we will be getting directly in that exam. Okay, let's read one question. You all have to solve this question. 5,000 separately invested on CI and SI at rate 10% per annum. What should be the difference between both interest after 3 years? So as we were calculating here for 2 years, same way, everyone give the answer for the 3 years. For today, a sum of money doubles itself. Let's take some money P, it became 2P. At some rate of compound interest, in the compound interest in 15 years, means this time period is 15 years. Okay, this they are giving compound interest. They are asking in how many years it became the 8 times. Now you want this as 8P. How much time it will be taking? Everyone tell the answer. In compound interest, what was going on? Actually, our interest was changing only, na? Amount in rupees was changing. Why? Because principal was changing. Same way here also, the principal has been changed. This P was the principal. it became 2p, means this money goes doubled, means we can say interest for 15 year is what, 100%. So next 15 year also the interest will be 100%. So next 15 year 100% means the 2p will be interest. Here it became the 4p. Next 15 year again it became the 4p will be the interest. So here the interest money became 8p, means in the 45 year 15 plus 15 plus 15 means total 45 years amount became the 8p. Now I will modify the question. I want to convert everyone. I want to solve this question that the amount became 8p, but the interest was simple interest. How much time will it take? So everything same, just change the word compound to the simple. Now everyone to solve. If the question is for simple, let me solve this also. If the question is simple, by that you will get the difference between both of them. What actually is the basic difference? Okay. Okay, this is here. Now we have to solve this for the simple interest. Now if the interest is simple, see one thing, some p you will invest, it became 2p in 15 years. Now in 15 years it became 2p. What actually happened? The interest is what, p rupees, you can say, for 15 years. Next year the money you will be taking as interest, that will be calculated only the money which you invested, that was the p, means again the interest will be p for the next year. Correct? Then again 15 year it will be p, next 15 year it will be the p, because per interest has been, it will be calculated on the money which you invested. This is in the case of simple interest, but in the compound interest, interest calculated always on the money of the, means new principal. This is a basic difference in ci and si we have seen in the starting. So you want this money as 8p, means how much money will be added? That will be the 7p. For 1p it is taking 15. So for 7p it will be taking 15 into 7. So 15 second 105 years it will take to become that money 105, means to 8p. So in simple interest p became 8p after 105 year, but in si, in compound interest, the money became in 45 years from p to 8p. Now basics is clear for everyone. Anyone wants to ask any doubt in today's class? Many things we have learned. I will request everyone revise, then practice the questions. Okay, 2000 rupees invested for 9 months. Okay, you are investing money for 9 months. 40% is the per annum. For 1 year, you are taking 40%, means 12 month 40%. On compound interest to be calculated quarterly. What is the meaning of quarterly? In 1 year, in 1 year we are having 2 half yearly, 6 months. In 1 year we are having 4 quarter, means 1 by 4, means 1 by 4 means 12 months is 1 year, means 1 quarter means 3 months. This is the point here written. Now for 9 months means there will be 3 quarter, 1 quarter, 2 quarter, 3 quarter. Now what you will do, because we are calculating quarterly, so question you can compare like this. The interest is for 3 years, 10% is the interest rate, like this you can compare, because for that quarter interest is 10, for next quarter 10, next quarter 10, and you are calculating quarterly. So find the interest after 9 months. So interest will be merge these 3%, 10%, 10%, 10%. So if you merge these two, you will get 21. Then you will merge this with this, you will get 33.1%. So 33.1% of 2000. So if you will calculate this, you will get 33 दूनी 66 661 रुपए. 661 rupees will be the interest on this amount. Any doubt? Still any doubt?
No, sir.